Meaning of Doctor Faustus.
Doctor Faustus.
Doctor Faustus.
Doctor Faustus.
Doctor Faustus. Doctor Faustus is a play written by Christopher Marlowe. It tells the story of a brilliant scholar who becomes disillusioned with life and makes a pact with the devil, exchanging his soul for unlimited knowledge and worldly pleasures. Despite warnings from friends and colleagues, Faustus continues down this path of self-destruction until he reaches his inevitable damnation. Ultimately, the play serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked ambition and the consequences of succumbing to temptation.